Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2007 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light after an oil change. So very simple procedure. The same procedure works for a lot of Toyota Corollas, Toyota Camrys, RAV4s, Tundras, you name it, Sequoias. Pretty much similar procedure. First thing we're going to do, turn the ignition off, turn it back on. We're going to go to trip A. Once it goes to trip A, we're going to turn the ignition off. We're going to press and hold the trip button and then turn the ignition on, and make sure you keep on holding it. All right. You can see the countdown going backwards, flashing 0, and that's it. So we're going to start it, make sure the lights reset. Oh, the maintenance required went off, so that was it. Again, turn the trip to the A, and then turn the ignition off, press and hold the trip button, turn the ignition on, keep on holding it till the countdown goes backwards and it flashes 0, and that's the procedure. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.